Number 9. Oh, it's number 9. Number 9 is interesting as when I was first coming up, this make was much like today's LRP. That being, a lot of flatline bashers were advocating this make, and in hindsight it was because this company had come out with a series of mid-market budget engines. The difference, though, was that with this make, it was abundantly clear there were folks out there that were getting
keep the MCs a beat sweep, play cheap and freak with a chic, unique technique.
Good Lord, that was some real shit.
For clarification purposes, the Pico 5TX is definitely not one of those mid-market budget engines. In fact, I believe I paid well over $400 for this. And I'll go ahead and tell you now that its sister engine, the Pico Boost 5 TR, which I also have, is not on this list. Now, anyone who's been around a while will understand when I say the 5TX is the B5, where the 5TR is the B6. In other words, the TR is more of a smooth, linear type engine. The TX has some of that stupid, silly oomph. But I like the modded TR better than the stock TX. So you can kind of see the shit I'm working with here. This is why I think it's nice to kind of take a step back and say, this TX, in my opinion, has the same top end as the TR. It just has that additional. In other words, kick-ass power.
And what was yet another grave reminder that Wilder, now 36-0, meant business.
Whatever happens, remember, you asked for it.
Now, just like the number 9 selection, the Works B6, the Pico Boost 215 5TX is an Italian-made engine, Italiano. And, just like the Works B6, this is a 5-port engine. It's actually 5 plus 2, meaning that it has 2 bypass ports. I've never understood the advantage to that, but I'm not an engine guy. I will tell you, I would not get too caught up in the number of ports with respect to these nitro engines because, I'll tell you now, the top 2 engines in this list are both 3-port engines. So take that for what it's worth. Now, as for setup with this engine, most folks will run it in Truggy. As noted, is a fairly powerful engine. I personally prefer to run it in Buggy, even though I have run it in my Mugen Truggy, Tamiya, and I think, I don't know if I've had it in my Serpent or not yet, but I have buggies that are pretty much set up to handle power. Yes. Power. As for pipes, the 2099 is definitely my preferred pipe with this engine. I've also run the 2069, 2046, 2013, all of course what would be deemed torque pipes. As for glow plugs, the O'Donnell 277T is what I use now, which leads us to our next section. And that is, who would I recommend this engine for? Nobody. No one. As in no one. And that's because this engine been discontinued. Good luck finding it yet. Good luck finding any parts for it. Oh, I won't show you trailers. So, now you fully understand how to how to correctly reinstall the components. And that's key. So we'll go through a few little items here and see if we can learn you on some things to look for. As an example, do you see something wrong with this drive shaft? I do. I do. I do. I do. I do. I do. I've been waiting a long time to tell this story. Bitch ass. Bitch ass.
Bitch ass.
Bitch ass. Bitch ass. Bitch ass. Girly pants.
Well, this is probably the most commonly asked question I get, and the answer is the best clutch is the one that will allow you to change its parameters for its environment.
What you see in front of you are a sampling of the clutch systems that I own. I sat down and made a quick list of the ones I could think of. Now, understand that these are just the makes that you're seeing. I own multiple models of each make. So as an example, I own 6 different models of M2C clutch systems. I own 4 different Bukus. For Works, I own 3 different models of Works. OFNA, I'd say well over 10, etc. Now, I only tell you this so you get an understanding of my experience and what I am basing the information that I am relaying to you in this video off of. Now, to kick this video off, you saw an example, one of maybe 20, where I was banned from a forum for disagreeing with someone who felt that Entity was better than Buku. And I thought it was a ridiculous statement because this person had only tried Entity, had never tried any other clutch. However,
That's not how it works. Oh hell no.
coming real soon.
The top items you want to look for in a new clutch. Bitch.